In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create this text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Hit subscribe and let's get started. First, let's start by creating a new workspace. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. In the shape settings, turn off the stroke and adjust the fill color. Next, draw the rectangle to cover the entire canvas. Once it's in place, press Ctrl+2 to lock the layer in position. Select the text tool and type your message. To exit the text tool, press V on your keyboard. Change text color. Go to the character settings to adjust the text size. You can also change the font style here to suit your needs. To center align your text, simply click on the alignment icons. This will position the text in the center as shown. With the text layer selected, go to Window Appearance. In the pop-up window, click on the stroke icon to add a stroke to your text. Choose the stroke color. Then, increase the stroke thickness to your desired level. Click on the Layer Style icon, and from the Path options, choose Offset Path. In the pop-up, you can choose a rounded outline by selecting Round, or keep the default sharp edges for a more angular look. Open Layer Styles again, and from the list, navigate to Pathfinder. Click Add to remove the inner stroke and clean up the design. Your text is now fully editable, so feel free to change the font or make other adjustments. Prefer a softer outline? No problem. Simply go back to the Appearance panel, double-click on Offset Path, and select a round joint for a smoother effect. To change the text color, double-click on Fill and select your preferred shade. You can also update the stroke color by following the same process. Excellent! Now you have it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.